Hi, fifth grade. Today is Friday, review week 3. We're going to talk about equivalent fractions today. Use the information to find the equivalent fraction for each set. Then shade the models showing that they are equal. So remember, when I'm finding an equivalent fraction, I'm going to multiply my fraction by a whole. So I'm going to multiply 1/3 times my whole, 2/2. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So my equivalent fraction is 2/6. Okay, first I'm going to shade my 1/3. Shade 1 out of 3 here. Then I'm going to shade 2/6. So my models are showing that this is an equal fraction or an equivalent fraction. These two fractions are equal because equal amounts are shaded in on both of my models. Letter B, I'm going to multiply 3/4 times my whole, 2/2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. So my equivalent fraction is 6/8. And then I'm just going to shade 3 out of my 4 in this model to show 3/4. And 6 out of 8 in this model to show 6/8. And then my two models have the same amount shaded in, showing that these two are equivalent fractions. So you're going to multiply by your wholes to get an equivalent fraction on C and D, and then probably be dragging something over to shade in on your Google slide. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.